Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert your personal pictures into a passport. Have you been paying people to snap passports for you, or have you been paying people to convert your personal pictures into a passport? This video is for you. Let's jump into learning how to convert our personal pictures into a passport. First of all, before you convert your personal pictures into a passport, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the phone you are making use of. Inside your Apple Store, we are going to download an app which we are going to be using for this lesson. We're going to download an app which we call the Photo Room. A Photo Room is an app which we are going to be using to change our pictures into a passport. So let's jump into downloading this particular app. So once you download this app and install it into your phone, you go back and open that app from your phone once it has been installed. So once you click on that app, once the app opens, most times the app delays before it opens depending on your network. So once the app opens, make sure you have a particular picture which you have in mind that you are going to change into passport, just to give some time for the app to open. So once the app opens, you are going to come to this particular icon which says start from photo. So once you click on that icon, the icon is going to display some icons for you, whereby it's going to tell you it's either you select from your camera or you select from your gallery, depending on the one you want to make use of. So I'm going to be selecting this particular picture right now. So once you select that picture, the app is going to scan that particular picture and automatically change it into a passport without collecting money from you. So this is how to change your pictures into a passport. You can still freestyle on the app and see some icons and see other things in the do well to also in my name and also notification button to know when I'm posting videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.